Good afternoon, dear students. Our lesson today about countries, nationalities, capitals, and languages of some countries. Today we try to explain you and to introduce you something about the countries, nationalities, capitals of the languages of some countries. We live on in the earth, you know, globe.
Yeah.
I try to explain some key and difficult words and expression into Tajik. And in the Korean means in the now, the globe, the earth, consists from 5-6 continents. Continents, you know. These continents are Australia, Asia, Europe, America, and Africa. And smaller than continents are countries. Countries of the world. Countries of the world. And smaller than countries are cities. Cities like our Dushanbe, Moscow, Washington, Tehran, and other cities. Smaller than cities are towns. Towns are smaller towns, like in Tajik we can say that Shahristonho, Shahrhoi Khur. And smaller than towns are villages. Now, I would like to introduce you with some countries of the world, their nationalities, the capitals of the countries, and the official language of that country. I would like to speak about Germany. Its official name, Federal Republic of Germany. Its nationality, German. The capital of this country is Berlin. And its language, official language of this country, German. And another country, Mexico. Mexico, the name of the country, the nationality is Mexican, the capital of this country, Mexico, and its official language is Spanish. This country is situated in the South America. Spain, the name of the country, and the nationality of this country is Spanish. The capital of this country is Madrid, and the language is Spanish. United States, the United States of America. The official name of this country is the United States of America, and abbreviation USA. And the nationality of this country, American. And the capital of this country is Washington. And official language of this country is English. This country is situated in the north part of American continent. Argentina. Argentina, the name of the country. The nationality of this Argentine. The capital of this country is Buenos Aires. And the official language of this country is Spanish. Spanish. Another country, Canada. The nationality of this country is Canadian. The capital of this country is Ottawa. And the official language of this country, two languages, English and French. In the north part of Canada, 90% of the population of this country are French speaking persons. And this country also is situated in the north part of American continent. Another country, Japan, the name of the country. The nationality of this country is Japanese. The capital of this country is Tokyo. And the official language of this country is Japanese. Japanese. Another country, the country of love. Kishwari Ishq. France, the name of the country. The nationality French. The capital of this country is Paris. And the official language of this country is French. This country is situated in the west part of Europe. China. The official name of this country is People's Republic of China. The nationality of this country is Chinese. Chinese. And the capital of this country is Beijing. Beijing. And the official language of this country is Chinese. Another country, Russia. Official name of this country is Russian Federation. The nationality of this country is Russian. The capital of this country is Moscow. The official language of this country is Russian. Italy. Italy. The name of the country and the nationality is Italian. The capital of this country is Rome. Rome. Rim. And the official language of this country, Italian. Another country, Brazil. Italy is situated in the western part of Europe. Brazil. Brazil is situated in South America. South America, and its nationality is Brazilian. The capital of this country is Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. And the official language of this country is Portuguese. Portuguese, Portuguese. The only country which speak with Portuguese language is Brazil. The rest of the South American countries, they speak in Spanish. We would like to add some other countries. This country is situated in the south part. Egypt, from African continent. Egypt. The name of the country, the official name of this country is Arab Republic of Egypt. The nationality of this country is Egyptian. Misri. Egyptian. The capital of this country is Cairo. Cairo, Qahira. And the official language of this country is Arabic. This country is situated in the north part of Africa. Now, South Korea. The name of the country and the nationality of this country, Korean. The capital of this country is Seoul. And the official official language of this country is Korean language. Now, Afghanistan. Just now, it isn't clear with the name of former name Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Just now, Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Our neighbor. The name of the country Afghanistan. The nationality of this country is Afghan. The capital of this country is Kabul. The official language of this country, two languages, Pashto and Dari, our Tajik language. And Islamic Republic of Iran, the name, official name of this country. The nationality of this country is Iranian. Iranian. The capital is Tehran, and the official language is Farsi. Farsi. Now, I have given you a short information about countries, nationalities, the capitals of some countries, and their official languages. If you have any questions, I am at your disposal. Thank you for your attention.